Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PVG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning, you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the $9 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 9, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can actually manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area, and that sits right down around $8.75. So $9 and $8.75, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 9 would be great, but from the big picture of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance and where the sellers were hanging out at, pretty straightforward. The party stopped earlier today up around $9.35. So $9.35 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, after such a strong move as today, top priority, in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking resistance levels. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. So focus on building higher bases, and then over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.